Are you ready? Well, let me just tell you what you done. Let's go. Look at it, just like that.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the sun burning tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the sun burn tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the sun burn tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ayan. Magandang gabi sa lahat, magandang hapon, magandang tanghali. Sa buong Survival Death Reborn. Gusto ko lang batiin ang dalawang binibini, dalawang nagagandahang dilag sa Survival Death Reborn. Happy birthday Tita Ann and Tita Ash. Stay who you are. More birthdays to come and more countries to blow, both of you. At sana itong araw na ito ay makakatanggap kayo ng punong-puno ng pagmamahal at kasiyahan mula sa family, friends at iba pa. At sana ibigyan kayo ni Lord na malusog na pangkalusugan at sana'y mawala na yung sakit o bigat na nararamdaman nyo. At sana'y lagi nyo tatandaan na andito lang survival death na sasamahan kayo through ups and down at nagmamahal. Lagi nyong isipin na hindi kayo nag-iisa. Tiwala lang sa taas at pag-pray lang lagi. Mag-iingat kayo lagi kung saang bansa man kayo ngayong dalawa. Pag napagod man, pahinga lang, laban lang ulit. Isipin nyo lagi na lahat ng problema or dumadating sa buhay nyo, pagsubok lang yan. At isipin nyo na sinusubukan lang kayo ni God kung gaano kayo katibay o katatag sa mundong kinatatayuan natin, katatayuan nyo. And I know na malalagpasan nyo yan basta may kasamang dasal at tiwala sa sarili at tiwala sa Kanya. At sana'y itong araw na ito ay maging masaya kayo. At sana'y maibsan o mawala yung sakit o bigat na nararamdaman nyo, andito lang kami para sa inyong dalawa. Andito ang buong survival death, mga pamangkin, anak-anakan nyo, si Mamila, mga kapatid nyo dito. Lagi isipin na hindi kayo nag-iisa. Sana'y matupad na lahat ng mga pangarap nyo. At sana'y higit pa dun. Deserve nyo maging masaya, at deserve nyo batiin, at deserve nyo makakatanggap ng magandang mensahe mula sa family at friends. Ingat lang kayo palagi. And God bless. And once again, happy birthday and enjoy your day. And love.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you.